Sir. Okay.
Manojan. Hello.
Sir.
I was appointed as a distributor in India
Sir.
by Highline Company, which is the world's biggest company.
Acha, business related thing. Yes.
I was a distributor for India.
Okay, that's great.
Very short time because the competitors spoiled everything. They didn't allow me to report.
Okay. This one, sir. This one.
Highline International.
Okay. This one. This photo, sir.
Pardon, sir?
This photo, another photo. Same thing. It looks like a sports kind of thing, the sports activity. Can you see it, sir? Can you see it now, sir? The 9th Krishna University Athletics Championships. District level all-round performance.
Oh, that is a sports activity, sir.
Uh-huh.
One photo I given. That is a World University.
Acha, 1 second. Okay.
World University.
Which one, sir? One will go back. This one, sir?
World University.
Okay. This one?
Krishna Nagarjuna University. I'm not able to see her.
Okay. I think there is some. Okay. So, yeah, I'll run through the photographs. Different countries, and he has gone to foreign countries also, taking his team at the national level and international level. And these are some of the photographs. So, Devi Varaprasad, Assistant Professor, this is presented by World Universities Competition held at Kazan, sir, Russia.
Russia, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Indian Universities team participated in, yes, 27th World Universiade competition held at Kazan, Russia, 6 to 17 July 2013, sir.
I'll explain that.
Yeah, please, sir, please.
I'll explain the background.
Yes, sir, please.
When I started helping the sportsmen, for 4 years I have been helping every month for a tune of 10 lakhs.
Okay.
But I'm not getting the results.
Okay.
So everybody taking in money and going away for the jobs. So I thought I should start my own.
Okay.
So I started my own academy,
sir,
and brought hundreds of people to the national level.
Okay.
And junior level 30-40 international medals we won. And senior level 12-13 senior medals we won.
Okay.
But our people are not allowed to compete in the competition by the federation people.
Why, sir?
Because all medals we are winning. Because this gang, this is a big mafia. It is like a dacoits. Like a drug mafia.
Okay.
Their sports also big mafia is there. For the last 30-40 years, they are sitting in the positions.
Okay.
They don't allow anybody. They don't know anything about sports, but they don't allow anybody to come.
Sir, can you say where is this picture? If you can see.
Pardon, sir?
We see a lot of foreigners on this picture. If you can see the screen.
I am coming to that point.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'll come to that point.
Yes, sir.
So when one of the coach told me, sir, not like this. You take the World University to the World University. These people are not going for the competition.
Yeah.
So you select the people from the colleges and take the team to the World University.
Yeah.
There you can take your children also. Like that, we selected all over the country universities. We selected and taken the team to Russia with my own expenses.
Acha.
Able to hear, sir?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Yes.
With my own expenses, sir. I conducted the competition, selected it, and put the camp for 1 month, and took the team to the World University and brought the medal to the country first time, silver medal.
Oh, that's great, sir.
That is the first medal for India. For 18 years, Indian people did not compete. They were not allowed to compete.
Okay.
So I took with my money. There is no funding for the world universities.
Acha. Okay.
So like that, I taken the team. Even that also, the man who won the medal, silver medal for India for the first time.
Sir.
Not only first time, that is the first and last. That was that gentleman. He was Indrajit Singh. Sir. He was not allowed to go to Olympic in the next Olympic.
Okay.
Manoj Malaboy. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah, carry on, sir. Carry on.
He was not allowed to go to the Olympic. He was selected and not allowed to go.
Sir.
Finally, that boy went to the court won the case.
Okay.
But though he won the case, but he lost the Olympic.
Okay.
And now the Tokyo Olympic, still the team has not come.
Sir.
So like that, the boy lost the 2 chances.
Okay, sir.
So this is a sports mafia.
Uh-huh. So now you started your own academy. So 1 second, sir. So this is Nambiar, sir. Dronacharya Nambiar.
Nambiar came to once to my farm.
Acha, okay.
Just to guide our youngsters.
Acha, great. Acha, okay, that's
Yeah.
good. So this is the photo, sir, with Rajnath Singh ji, Defense Minister.
Yes.
So who is the person, sir, standing by the side of your son-in-law?
He is one of our RSS man.
Acha, okay.
He is in charge of Jammu Kashmir.
Oh, okay.
His name is Indresh.
Acha, okay, sir.
Indresh.
Okay. Indresh, acha. Okay, sir. So yeah, you are with
he took me to a defense minister.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I have been trying for the last. It has taken 6 months for me to reach a minister.
Achha,
to give money.
For getting up, even for giving money, for getting appointment. Okay. So that's great, sir. That's great.
Though I know she was what is her name? A lady defense minister.
Yeah, Sitaraman.
Sitaraman.
Sir.
I know her personally. She knows me very well. In spite of that, I could not meet her 3 months.
Oh, acha.
This is
Okay.
bureaucracy.
Okay. That's great, sir. That's great. So yeah. So that's how then you wanted to win gold for international for your boys. But you were how were you managing, sir? Did you used to collect any fees, or you used to fund it by yourself for the students?
Last 20 years, we never collected even food also.
Achha.
Food, accommodation, education, exposure, equipment, everything A to Z is free.
Oh, okay.
For 23 years like this.
Okay. For 23 years, I think must have
23
spent
years,
more. So many crores of rupees.
And every month 10 lakh rupees minimum for 23 years.
My God, it's a lot of money.
This money is not the value. My 20 years time is wasted.
Oh, okay. Because of this politics at the high level. Yeah.
And even sportsmen also like that only. Even parents are like that. They don't know the value of the sports.
Okay.
They are coming only to get a government job.
Okay.
Once they are 20 years.
Not serious about the goals.
Not serious. If 1 or 2% people are serious, this mafia sports gang, they don't allow them.
I think you are fighting against them. You are a great fighter. You are still fighting against them.
Unfortunately, this corona affected that also. As for last 7 years, I am running to Delhi to the course to put this gang in jail. But last 1.5 years, because of corona, I could not go to the court.
So you are fighting like a one-man army against the system.
Yes.
That's great, sir. I salute your spirit and courage. So which we all airways feel proud of your efforts in this regard. Yes, sir. So
after seeing all big people, I feel I am small, sir.
So sir.
It's not easy thing to achieve as IAS and IPS.
No, it's different. We can never compete, sir. Even we cannot compete. It's entirely different field.
No, it's a very big achievement. I was so thrilled. I was really thrilled.
But now I'm sure there are IAS officers and other IHOs on the call now. They will all be getting inspired by your story. It has its own beauty, uniqueness, and which nobody else could have got it.
It is their greatness.
So, sir, you are into business, you are into difficulties, you are into sports. Again, also facing difficulties, fighting for the right cause. And I think you must have spent a lot of money for creating the world-class facilities like gym, amenities, or hostel. I can proudly say that I visited your academy about 15 years back. When you were conducting a good program with the AVM Air Marshal kind of people.
Somebody can come and start a sports university at Vijayawada. Everything is there.
That's what, sir. Yeah, you may. No, I am so thrilled to know that he has all the zeal for the sport even today and willing to contribute a lot. So he has a ready-made available facilities, that is the sports academy, that is about 20 kilometers from Vijayawada on near highway itself, having beautiful infrastructure and facilities. And now all that he wants, if somebody is willing amongst our air warriors to support him, to know with a great plan, a kind of, what is that, sports academy kind of thing.
Now I am building in Hyderabad also, same, maybe better than that.
Okay. So please explain, you can, I think, explain better about the facilities available and infrastructure you created, kind of thing.
All the facilities for 10 Olympic Games. Okay. We are building for 10 Olympic Games.
Sir.
Individual games.
Okay.
Not team games.
So how many people can be accommodated, sir, in Ketankonda campus?
In Vijayawada, as it is, 1,000 people can be accommodated.
My God, 1,000 people.
1,000 capacity there.
With boarding facilities.
Yes, both. Lodging, boarding, everything.
My God.
With all that.
Okay. It's a great challenge. And it's a great, I think state police also approached you for something for that.
Yes, actually police people came. They were, because it is not properly utilized. DGP came for some other work actually.
Yes, sir.
Some forest seedling or something like that they came.
Sir.
Throwing seeds in the forest.
Yes, sir.
Seed ball. They are making seed balls.
Yes, sir.
So during that work, DGP came to our academy.
Sir.
Then he asked Mr. Prasad, you are not able to utilize this capacity. Why don't you give us for a lease?
Okay.
For a police academy?
Okay.
I said, it is a pleasure, sir. They came and about more than 100 people came all over the state. All the top people. They were very happy to have that one. Finally, they finalized everything. Monthly 15 lakhs lease rent also.
Acha.
And everything. Finally, the political side, there was objection.
Yeah, I know. Other equations are there for politics.
Yes. So like that, it was lying vacant.
Sir.
So other day, RSS people came. They want to start the Sainik school.
Acha, okay.
I was ready to give,
but
still they are not. They have not come back. Actually, the government is giving every district 1 or 2 Sainik schools.
Yes, sir.
Why not? Our group start this.
Yeah. That's a good proposal, sir. Whether we'll, it's so he's so kind and large-hearted. He's still now at this age in life. He's now 75. He wanted to he wants to contribute to the society, particularly to our own people, by establishing a Sainik school type of setup there with our with our expertise in our defense kind of people, so that we can take up. It's a very good suggestion, sir. So as it is, we have a lot of people like Patilji and Murudukarji, Sachana Garu. So I think with their combination, we can come up with something which we kind of again paying back to the society by encouraging youth to join the forces by giving sufficient training to them. So it's a
Netaji Sainik School.
Netaji Sainik School. Netaji. Yeah, I know you are so fond of our great leaders because of your RSS psychology or that kind of thing.
And our group can achieve that.
Our
group can achieve that.
Yeah, we have a lot of heroes, sir, who can contribute in whatever the form they want. So what is the extent of the land available there, sir? Roughly. Ketankonda.
I sold recently about 50 acres.
No. How much land is available? Now you say it is
20 acres land is.
20. So that is more than enough. We can create any academy for that matter. Yes, thank you.
Sir, at Hyderabad, the sports academy, which is the location, sir, is thinking of?
Near Shamshabad, I am building.
Near airport, international airport.
Near airport.
Nearby where you reside.
He's staying there only.
Last 13 months, I am after lockdown. I have come to this farm. I am staying here.
Yeah. So, Muthu Saab, we'll give the time. Now we'll close the chapter. Okay, first. Yeah. So you can ask during the question and answers. Yes. So nice, sir. You are offering voluntarily again as a kind of giving back to the society, and of course our group can also think of this opportunity of creating a great social responsibility kind of thing. Yes, sir. Then after that, so sir, you donated only 1% to your better half, only 2% to your daughter. So did they have no objection about doing all these things, or how they were supporting you?
Supportive there. Of course, my daughter is working. After all, mother will have some feeling. But they are comfortable.
But your mother who gave you 5 rupees must be the happiest person on the earth when she came to know that you owned 500 acres of land and built a beautiful empire of business.
Unfortunately, I lost my mother long back.
Oh.
In
But
the sense,
when she was alive,
Yes, she was. When she was alive, I was well off. By the time I established, she died in 94.
90%.
By the time I was well established.
Well established.
My brothers and all, we are all well established.
So she saw you growing.
My mother was a real sufferer. After that, same thing. My wife, she faced all the difficulties with me.
Because she supported.
Always in tension.
Okay.
Always, with my all aggressive nature, she was always in problem.
But no, again, sir, behind every man's success there is a woman. So obviously, the report and support of wife is always required to sail through all the difficulties.
She used to look after all the farm and all.
Yes, sir.
In my absence. Because,
so we salute to our madam also on behalf of all our air warriors for her wonderful support.
She don't like even this type of publicity also. She's. Okay. I myself am not much of.
We are very shy in nature. I agree with you, sir.
My wife is not having even 1% of what I have.
Okay.
My wife or my daughter.
Okay.
They keep away from the publicity.
I think Manoj is with you, sir. Now, your son-in-law.
My Manoj.
So can we just see him and ask for one? Will not bother him much.
Manoj. He is Mr. Manoj.
Manoj garu, namaste. నమస్తే మా చాలా మంది ఎయిర్ వారియర్స్ ఉన్నారు 50-60 మంది వరకు ఉన్నారు అందరూ కూడా ఫీలింగ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు నో ద స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఫాదర్ ఇన్ లా సో వాట్ డు యు సే ఇన్ వన్ వర్డ్ ఆర్ వన్ సెంటెన్స్ మీ మామయ్య గారి గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు ఆయనలో ఉన్న గొప్పతనం ఒక విషయం చెప్పండి
నేను చెప్తే బాగుండదండి
మీకు తెలిసిన వ్యక్తిగతంగా తెలిసిన ఒక్క విషయం షేరింగ్ విత్ అదర్స్
ఒక్క విషయం 10 minutes I have some of this and I'll come back to you kindly
please sir please
okay
yes please okay yes sir చెప్పండి
నన్ను చెప్పమంటారండి
ఒక విషయం చెప్పండి మీ మామయ్య గారి గురించి మంచి విషయం
హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్ అండ్ he has his own
principled man hard working man yes
something that you have lot of things to learn
okay ఏది మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన గుణం ఏం చెప్పండి ఆయనలో
helping nature
that's what crores of rupees
very generous when it comes to helping
so you feel very happy with your mamagar you feel proud thank you Manoj he is Manoj father-in-law of our CBR Prasad garu so nice
they feel some problem with my speed
always speed but without speed sir without that frequency or vibration you can't reach success also we have to have that vibrational match between our body and the target then only we will reach yes
otherwise you can't achieve
you can't achieve true sir true I agree with you
you have to face so many problems but once you want to achieve you have to
so okay sir I think we have covered all the points Prasad garu for your service 9 years in Indian Air Force what are all the learnings or good qualities you have imbibed from the service
main thing is discipline
okay discipline yes sir
discipline and commitment
to the cause yes
commitment for the work
yes sir
all the people especially my Air Force I saw all committed people nobody is no scroungers very rarely find very rarely find so especially I saw that was all the three Sardarjis
sir
really during my training at Kanpur
sir
one Colonel Singh something like that he is a flight sergeant
okay
big 6.5 feet height
okay
and he used shout always come to me then after second phase after 3 months we went to workshop there also one Sardar he was running he was same like me he was always on his toes he was very small the other man is 6.5 feet this man is only 5.5 feet not even 5.5 only 5 feet
okay
but always he was on toes always on then again in Pune also he is also Sardarji he is our officer I was put in some under the one clerk because of short time
sir
that files that man was looking after the files
yes sir
that officer so committed And when we misplaced some letter, he used to say that somebody that letter is signed by green ink, red ink, or blue ink.
Acha.
File is like this, the file is. That means how much involvement is if
Okay, okay.
then only one can remember. So,
Yes, sir.
so like that, many people, all committed people.
Sir, we have one more Sardaji here also in our group. Sethi Saab is there. He will ask you some
I
questions.
salute the Sardar.
Yeah, we have to salute them for their bravery and commitment.
And their bravery and their commitment.
Yes, sir.
They are the reals. దేశాన్ని రక్షించింది వాడు.
Yes, sir.
Guru Govind Singh.
Yeah, yeah.
Greatest man is I like his Subhash Chandra Bose and Guru Govind Singh.
Yes, sir.
Guru Govind
Yeah,
Singh.
really, they fought for the country. Yeah,
Yeah. They saved the country.
Yes, sir. I agree. So, and also that there was a small incident, I think, during your childhood when you were 8 years or 9 years old, when you wanted to climb that palmera tree. That
Yes, you wrote that. Very good. See, this I wanted something do
sir.
bigger.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I was maybe 7-8 years.
Mm.
Definitely not 10.
Mm.
One day my father was climbed the palm tree and
Okay.
cut that fruits and all.
Mm.
So next day I wanted to climb that.
Mm.
So I went out there. My father is not there. So if my father there, he will not allow me.
Okay.
So my father is not there. I climbed. Halfway I was afraid and came down.
Acha, okay.
Now I went back and slept for 1 or 2 hours
Mm.
in the field itself, in the agriculture
Acha.
field,
Okay.
under the tree.
Mm.
Then again I woke up. I said I must climb. Then after 2 hours I climbed the. It was a very big tree.
Acha, you climbed fully.
Fully I climbed it.
Okay.
So like that, I was always adventurous.
No, adventure and the restless till you achieve the thing,
Yes,
you will not
I
take risk.
No, I don't care it. I was
No.
never afraid of anything.
So,
I don't know what is fear.
acha, acha. So I think you are also a very fearless person, sir.
Absolutely not. Absolutely no fear.
You don't care for anything. That's all.
No,
Once you make a decision, you have to see it through.
I never care even for my life.
Acha. Okay, that's great. That's great. So now there are so many air warriors on the call now. So what is the one piece of advice if you have to give? What advice will you give being an air warrior and being an entrepreneur and philanthropist?
Especially the people who retired, they
Yes,
should
sir.
give back to the society.
Should give back to
Whatever they
society.
can. Whatever they can.
Okay.
And don't give too much money to the children.
Children.
Yes, you have to give them what is minimum requirement
Okay. Okay.
and make them the fighters. They
Okay.
should struggle.
Okay.
If they don't struggle, today what I am worried is in this country is that the work culture totally died.
Okay.
Zero
Yes.
today.
Yes, sir.
Other day, even in a Telugu paper, editorial somebody has written, Eenadu,
Sir.
the India has got only 5% skilled people,
Ah.
whereas Korea has got 95% skilled.
Just opposite of it. My God. Yes, sir.
Whatever I am today little,
Yes,
whatever
sir.
I am little today,
Yes, sir.
it is because whatever my father and mother taught me work.
Okay. That's great.
And whatever I studied up to 5th class,
Sir.
Telugu medium,
Sir.
that only helped me.
Okay.
From 6th class, I had learned nothing.
Okay. Right.
Whatever this, see, some people may be good in education.
Yes, sir.
His IQ is good in education. That does not mean everybody should go to the college.
Yes, sir.
There is no necessity.
Yes, sir.
95% of the people can settle down by 15 years.
Okay.
That was the ancient India.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yeah.
Now 95% people are going to college and they're fit for nothing.
Uh-huh.
They don't have good health. They don't have courage. They don't have skill.
Lack the life skills part of it. Yes.
And it is the biggest danger for the country.
Yes, sir.
First,
So,
every parent should send their children at least minimum 1 hour to the ground.
okay.
Where I got the desire to win because I was defeated.
Because of the sports. Yes. Yes.
Like that, every child when he goes to the ground, he will face the challenges.
Yes, sir.
So he will have that courage and determination to win. That gives the
Yeah, that spirit
desire
of
to
competitive spirit, sir.
spirit.
Yeah, yes.
So 1 hour at least minimum.
Yes,
And
sir.
1 hour,
Sir.
the child should work. If it is a girl child, she should help the mother.
Okay. Yes,
If
sir.
it is a male child, he should help with the father.
Father. Yes.
That is a work. That is skill development.
Okay. Now,
Today-
because of the yes.
Today,
Hmm.
where I failed in Vijayawada is I could not build what I wanted.
Yes,
I
sir.
could not even achieve even 1% of what I thought of.
Yes, sir.
The problem is with the teachers and parents.
Okay. Mindset of the people. Yes, mindset.
Yes, no teacher is ready to accept
Okay.
that work.
Okay.
I remember when I was studying, even maybe second class or third class,
Sir.
my teacher, one lady teacher, he taught me how to give water to the nursery.
Acha.
Narbosh antam kada.
Yeah. Okay.
How to give it.
Okay.
She taught me if you pour water like this with a bucket, the
Plants
roots
will
of
die.
the small nursery will come out and
Yeah,
it
yeah.
will die.
Uh-huh.
She has given me a spray like thing. I tried to teach the children. Nobody is learning. They take the bucket and pour the water.
Okay. Okay.
I teach them for 1 week, 10 days. I was with them. I
Okay.
come to Hyderabad for 4-5 days.
Sir.
But they forget everything.
Acha.
Like that, 20 years
Okay.
I wasted my time.
Okay.
I am a productive. Probably these 20 years, if I was in productivity line, the country would have been benefited.
I think you have got a lot of respect for the traditional way of learning, sir. That's what your motto is. The
Yes.
Hindu culture, the previous saintly
Yes,
culture
yes.
kind of.
Every Hindu culture, I was thinking all this is moodanamaka.
Superstitious belief.
But it's not true. It is
Okay.
every Hindu culture is scientifically backing today.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay.
I am a totally atheist.
Okay.
But I like the Hindu culture. It is
Sir.
scientifically built,
Okay.
scientific basis. Every habit, every custom,
Yes, sir.
our food, whatever we have, it is scientific.
Okay.
Our ఏమంటారు అమ్మమ్మ పోపులు పెట్టి ఔషధ పంటారు.
Yeah, traditional way of thinking or cooking or eating habits and
Yes.
all those things.
And
Yes,
what
sir.
we are eating today,
Yes, sir.
how we get good health?
Yes, sir.
All junk food we are eating. There is no stamina. Labor, they don't have stamina at all
Okay.
because they are not eating good food.
Correct, sir.
Food
Correct.
what we are producing itself is a bad food.
So
With
finally,
chemical and all,
so
chemical and all.
yes, sir.
And other side where our children, affordable people, they are eating junk food.
Yeah, you are right, sir. You are right. They are not showing much interest in keeping good health also.
In Vijayawada, I saw
Yeah.
all the Telugu medium children, they don't have 1 kilo of flesh in their body.
Yes,
They
sir.
are only skeletons.
Yes, sir.
And whereas English medium children, they are fatty. Both are useless.
Okay.
They
Okay.
are not useful for the future generation.
Not maintaining proper balance of the body. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
This is the
thank you,
biggest
sir.
danger country is going to face.
Yeah, thank you, and thank you for your concern for all these things. And as we have so many air warriors, one piece of final advice to our warriors, sir.
That's what the children, take care of your children.
Take care of children and pay back to the society, social responsibility.
You should pay back to the society
Mm.
and take care of your children and grandchildren.
Okay.
And teach them Hindu culture,
Okay.
Hindu way of life.
Rich way
It's
of
not a
life.
religion.
Yes,
Is not Hindu is not a religion.
Yes,
It's
sir.
a way of life. Scientifically back for
Okay.
thousands of years. We have forgot all. Nothing we need to invent. Everything is invented thousands of years back by
Okay,
our
sir.
rishis.
Okay.
That we
So
have to.
yeah, that's great, sir. Great philosophy of life you have. And as you rightly said, your message to our all warriors is pay back to the society whatever we have got the benefit and take care of the children.
Minimum requirement to the children.
Yes, sir. Pay attention to the children also. Yeah,
Give them
rightly
a good
said.
education, good health,
Yes,
good
sir.
fighting nature.
So thank you very much, sir, for sharing your story right from the childhood to Air Force to entrepreneurial journey to that philanthropic activities and all those things. You proved yourself a hero all the times in spite of becoming zero. With your kind of mindset you have, never stop, keep running towards your dream. That's what your goal. So whatever the goal you
Is the
set,
goal.
you have achieved it. And the remaining goal of achieving Olympic gold and international gold medals for the sports section, as you rightly said, you are still open to provide all the facilities, provided if someone comes and makes use of the facilities. So I salute you for your excellent career, sir. Amazing career. So it's really exemplary, excellent, inspiring. And CBR Prasad Garu has also become one of the unstoppable heroes of our Air Warriors.
Thank you, sir.
So you are unstoppable. And my
Swami
salute to you,
Vivekananda
sir.
said,
Ah.
"Stop not till you reach the goal."
Yeah, stop not till you reach
Till you
your
reach
goal.
the goal.
I think right philosophy adopted by you
And,
throughout your career.
And Subhash Chandra Bose said,
Sir,
give me blood, I'll give you freedom.
yeah. Give me blood, I'll
I'm
give you
telling,
freedom.
give me sweat, I'll give you victory.
Wow, beautiful, sir. Give me sweat, I'll give you victory. Is the philosophy of our Prasad Garu.
Yeah.
So it's
See
great
that the
philosophy, sir.
children sweat every day 1 hour at least.
Yeah,
Either skill work or sports.
So cultivate good habits in the children by hard work or whatever, sports or whatever it is. So that's fantastic, sir.
You need not to give anything to children.
Yes, sir.
Make them to sweat. They will achieve everything.
Yes, sir. So like that there is a saying, don't give them the fish curry, give them the how to catch the fish. like that.
Yes, exactly.
To the children. So teach them how to catch the fish, don't feed the fish, kind of thing. So fantastic, sir. So kind of you. May God bless you to fulfill your remaining wishes of sports activities also. You may succeed in your all other activities, and God bless you and your family with good health and strength. And you are a rock star of all our air warriors. Keep rocking, sir. We will be with you now. You are not alone. Our entire warriors group is with you in all our efforts.
Now it's a big team. Now it's a very big team.
Yes, sir. Very big team having that miniature kind of India across all the people. So, sir, yes. You may be surprised. No, one of our airmen also became a High Court judge.
Yes, I know. I saw.
Yeah, even after completing 15 years. So, such is the greatness. Apart from IAS, IPS, and vice chancellors, we have judges, we have entrepreneurs, and we touched every field with exemplary upliftment. So, such is the greatness of our Air Force. That we all should be grateful to the Air Force. Yes, sir. So finally, sir, Das sir, yes sir.
Hats off to Prasad Garu,
sir,
for his way of thinking, for his way of life, and for his philanthropic attitude. No comparison at all. I am a very, very small fry in the whole setup. He is as God as Lord Vishnu. God bless his endeavors. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That is our group captain, B.K. Das Garu, the hero of Longawala battle, and with awarded with Veer Chakra, sir, Prasad Garu.
Yes, I heard.
Yes, sir.
TBRG, I have a question.
Yeah, please, sir. Patil sir.
Yeah, no doubt. He's individually and as a team, his performance is outstanding and Himalayan achievement.
Yes, sir.
But as in defense, it is a teamwork.
Yes, sir.
As
sir,
a team,
can we see you, sir? Patil sir.
Yeah, definitely. It is a teamwork wherever, whether it is a public life or personal life or a military life, it is a teamwork.
Yes, sir.
Now, as an individually, he is outstanding and unique. Now, with all that, there is a mafia everywhere. Negative and positive coexist. Now, only thing we need to take him into all this vertical warriors, we can guide him. He can also go to the as a team with the society.
Yes,
because
sir.
Mafia need to be educated that this man is merit. He's a man of merit, man of performance, man of sacrifice. We need to integrate his services with the services of the existing organization. If we can do that, then I think that sports organization or any organization will be benefited by his achievement and his sacrifice.
Yes,
that
sir.
is one.
Yes, sir.
And another thing is his contribution to whether it is a 108 or it is a Flag Day contribution, outstanding. No comparison with him. Only thing, we need to take him into the fold and integrate his services with the service of the nation. He can become a superhero even in public life because as an individual, he is doing his best.
Yes, sir.
But we need all our air warriors. We need to, then I thought of, if Corona permits, gives a permission, I'll travel and we'll visit his sports complex. Wherever there is a big national organization, we'll coordinate with that and integrate his achievements.
That's a great move. They're great initiatives, sir, from your side. With the kind of experience you have, you can do something. We all can contribute towards that. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Prasad Garu, outstanding. Thanks a lot. Thank you, brother.
So that
Thank you,
is
sir.
our
Thank you.
IAS officer, IAF turned IAS officer, Patil sir from Bangalore.
Thank
You, sir.
Prasad.
Thank you for your
Namaste.
wonderful suggestion.
Namaste, sir.
And
Thank you.
so we look forward to your guidance also for this.
Hey, always, sir. Always. I am proud of you. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All I can say is that dedication and sacrifice is thy name is Mr. Prasad. Excellent, my God. I mean, the sacrifice he has done and the dedication with which he went about it has
Thank you, sir. Thank
resulted in our appreciation for all that he has done for the society at large. Full marks to you, sir. Okay, by
Thank you.
all the
Thank
best.
you,
Sir,
sir.
that is Big Commander Karnik, sir, another Veer Chakra holder, 71 war hero, sir. Thank you, sir, Karnik, sir,
Okay.
for your wonderful words. Yes, sir. Next, sir.
One word from me.
Yeah.
I am Wing Commander Bala.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. Yeah.
Outstanding achievement. What a great amount of good work he has done. When most of the public is crying, asking the government to give them jobs, this man has done it all by himself, not waiting for others to help. That is what has to be learned. But the most outstanding thing about him is, when a person succeeds, now he succeeded. When you succeed, the first casualty is humility. This man, having achieved so much, is still so humble. Hats off to you. May God be with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Wing Commander Bala, sir. Thank you for your comments. Yes, sir. Next. Wing Commander Katra, sir, if you are there. Yes, sir. Katra, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Whatever I have heard, actually, I joined the meeting quite late. My network giving a lot of problems.
Sure.
Whatever I have heard at the fag end, Mr. Prasad, you have done great things, I'll say, as an individual. And your learning are also great. And since I have not heard about your sports part, I cannot comment. But what I have learned from the remarks of Mr. Patil, that your complexes or whatever sports activities you are doing, it's worth visiting. Regarding your advice to the youngsters and the parents, that is absolutely 100% correct. Present generation, they lack dedication, they lack discipline, and their approach is negative. And what you have brought out very rightly, their outdoor activities are totally missing, which is resulting their physical capability and ability is lacking. And result, there is no standard. I have given my children basics of everything what you have brought, and take it from me. They are doing very well. And your approach is positive, and you must now spread your word of goodness amongst all the people. I am with you. Anytime you require my services, I'll be most gladly assist you in that. All the best and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Another Veer Chakra holder, sir. Wing Commander PPS Kotra, sir, from Indore. Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir. Kotra, sir. Yes, sir. Murudkar, sir, you wanted to speak. Please unmute and speak, sir. So, Murudkar Sahib is Vice Chancellor of 2 universities from Mumbai. He was also ex-sergeant.
At the outset,
Yeah.
I do not know whether CBR and PBR are some
Okay.
but I take this opportunity to congratulate Mr. Prasad for having confronted most difficult things and came out very successfully in life. I think he is an example for all of us to guide for future. Suppose if anything is to be done, we can definitely join with him and do something in this regard. I think his philanthropic attitude, his hard work, and especially towards the culture of India is most appreciative. He has rightly pointed out, because as Vice Chancellor in different universities as registrar, he has really pointed out that we are missing somewhere the work culture. Work culture, what I think I was fortunate to be in the Gurukul at my childhood. What work culture and whatever this one, the mindset, winning mindset, doing something for yourself, for your family, and for the country, that is missing, dedication part of it. We must be very serious about this matter. He's, you can say, he has already offered. I think I talked to Mr. Rao also earlier.
Sir.
Establishment of a self-finance university, either Hyderabad or Vijayawada. Suppose if there is a proper finance comes, but I don't think there will be problem, because government should be able to give us permission, and under the guidance of Mr. Prasad and many of our Mr. Patil and other people, and Dr. Satyanarayana, he is already there. So we can do that self-finance university, so that the aims and objects we think of can be transferred or translated into action. So my suggestion will be, if he considers this one, then we, all of us as a team from Air Warriors, can be at his service, because there is a lot of finance required. Initial stage, 500 to 1,000 crores required, land, especially permission from the government for establishing such a university, self-finance university, say in the name of suppose Subhash Chandra Bose or whatever it may be, but that can be considered considered very seriously. I think many of us are there, ready and willing to offer our services, but provided this infrastructure and required money is given, because all the time suddenly it can't come. I may tell you the story of Symbiosis University in Pune. You may not be aware that this university, when the college started, our airmen and military people used to go for evening classes. And these people, but Mr. Majumdar, who was the pioneer in this case, he was very much appreciative, because we are very prompt and sincere, first for learning, at the same time paying the fees also. So with that, slowly he have come up, and he has established not only one university, but many universities throughout India.
That's great.
What our airmen, you must know, especially airmen who were the students there. Now, Mr. Majumdar and his daughter now, they are now employing in many ex-service officers and men, because they know we are dedicated, we can give the best to the university, and that is why those universities have come up in Indore, in you can say Noida and all, and in Pune. Pune itself there are 2 universities. So this matter may be considered. I will request Mr. Prasad with Mr. Rao Guru at the head.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Rao Guru at the head, and many, our wing commander Patra is there, wing commander this Group Captain Das, and
all are willing to contribute. All are willing to contribute.
Our IAS officer, Mr. Patil Sahib, who is he knows the
in and out.
intricacies of bureaucracy, how it was.
Yes, sir.
And what Mr. Prasad has stated, that mafia is working in sports field. Mafias are there in every field. It is very difficult for a sincere and honest person to come up in life. I think God has given him strength, and that is how, in spite of all these problems, all the difficulties, he has come up, and not only come up, he was able to establish himself and give back to the society crores of rupees. Not a simple matter. It is not that we should think he gives in a month, 10 lakhs rupees per month he gives. To Air Force also he has given. So I think I will suggest if Mr. Rao Garu and Mr. Prasad think that this can be a proposal which can be taken up, a self-finance university by established and run by Air Warriors, or suppose this one.
CBR Defense University.
that will be a very ideal for myself. Thank you, Prasad Garu, for your great achievement. We are proud of you and salute your this one.
So that is Arjun Murdekar, sir, Vice Chancellor, real star of university.
Sir, the finance requirement is zero, sir.
Yes.
Finance is not required at all.
Great.
Only committed people are required. Everything is there. One has to go to Delhi and get the permission.
Yeah, we have a lot of. We have.
Government is also ready to give.
Sir,
they want to give to every district one Sainik school. The policy.
Yes.
The policy is every district one Sainik school. So the only one has to run around the Delhi and get the permission.
Yes, sir.
And committed people to work.
Yes,
sir. Everything is established there.
No, what happened? On paper it is okay, but university establishment a permission will be given because it is the state government subject.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is
unless it is a central university, unless it is the act passed by the central, this one, government of India, it can be a central university, but we don't want to come under the clutches of the government agencies. See, you must keep in your hand something where you can work out many things. Okay, suppose any school, okay, we can bring permission if the university, self-finance university is established, say in Vijayawada or Hyderabad, that establishment of a particular university can be done by the local government, that is Andhra government or Telangana government. And whatever the permission, suppose if you want to run a Sainik school or other thing, that these agencies will give us permission. At the same time, they will give also finances. Okay, because we have to run in accordance with the rules and regulations of the government.
Yes.
We can't just, but the university, moment it comes under your this one, then it is in your hand how you should go. But throttle, pirate's throttle is in your hand. How you should go, where you fire, where you should not bomb. See, that is how it happens. So self-finance university, because you have got your own chancellor, you have got your own vice chancellor, and you have got, if the government, it comes under the government, then it creates a lot of problems. I think I am with all respect to you all, I had not only running the University of Mumbai for 5 years, but I was running self-finance universities in Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. So that bit experience which I have got, what are the benefits, what are the negative points?